Hello, beautiful little prince and princess. Today I have bought Arowana. It is very expensive fish found in our country, and I'm going to set up this aquarium. But this aquarium is a public aquarium. That means there are so many fishes here. I don't think it can survive or not. But if it survived, then it's our luck. If it could not survive, then our bad luck and money waste. Here my son is holding Arowana, the baby Arowana.
And again, guys, tell me if it's Agent Arowana or Circle Arowana.
Please don't forget to comment down.
Yeah.
What is the actual name of this Arowana?
I have a name for him too.
Silver Arowana or another what?
Agent Arowana.
Agent Arowana.
But I named him Arrow because he looks like an arrow. And from top he looks like a flying fish because he is a flying fish. I like him.
And it is also a suiciding fish because mostly it jumps out of the aquarium and then it dies. So that you must cover this tank fully.
But in the movie, I saw one Arowana jumped out, but one man picked him so fast that he survived.
If it is very big, then it can survive. But if it, as soon as it falls out, you have to put in the tank so that it can survive. Otherwise,
it will die.
Okay, it's aquarium. Sorry, water heater.
And the guy said, don't put the smaller fish. Oh no, I forgot. He said, don't put it in the tank that fish are smaller than it. So there's one fish. I don't know how many fish are there, but there is some little zebra fish.
This side, so that we can see the whether heater is working or not. So let it turn it on.
Yeah.
It's light it on.
Now can I put?
No, we don't. We should let this water to be heat. After that we can put this. Otherwise the very cold temperature of this water can lead to death of this most expensive fish. It is why expensive because this fish can be found in our country very rarely.
Yeah.
There is also given in the category of expensive aquarium fish.
And that time when we go there was a big Agent Arowana. I think this was his baby, so that's why I thought this is a Agent Arowana baby. There was next day also when I was thinking a betta fish was an Arowana. So I tell my mother, ask the fishman that betta fish is an Arowana or not. So she never asked. So I just see the Google. So I write. I didn't know that time there was an Arowana or not. She just said, I thought she was saying Bedabana, so I just said Bedabana. And I so many not seeing, but then I write Arowana because it looked like an arrow, so I saw Arowana. And there was no betta fish looking like so. And that time I thought Arowana is not a betta fish. So, but it faces him.
Okay, let's try to put in the water.
It is heat enough. I will touch. It is heat enough or not?
Maybe enough, I don't know.
Touch the water.
Okay, it can survive. Yes. For the camera, yeah. It can survive.
No, don't put it in the. Put the bag in the water.
Wait a minute.
Put the bag in the water.
Wait.
Don't need.
Let's see the activities of other fishes.
It it is floating. I bet all the fish will be very scared. But I hope he didn't become lunch. Because there was one man, one arowana that was a baby one, smaller than this. That one got destroyed by a red tail. But not my one, because this is my first one. This one I saw in the YouTube, not in here. So, cheerio. I saw a little bit of it, I guess. If we die, you will be dead. I don't know if you will be dead or not. But if you become dead, it is only useful. Give output. You need to be careful, right? Careful. Come on. He's out. He's from his prison. He's out. Now he will eat some berry. No, I'm just kidding. He will eat some zebra. I know you will eat some zebra fish. I probably know. You will eat some zebra fish. I know you will eat some zebra fish. I know he's going to the school of zebra fish. I know. Just put the lid back on. Lid back on. Lid back on. Lid back on. Little punk is over there. He's bigger than any arowana. I think he's 6 years old. Hey, how much is you think? Yo, why are you not talking? Yeah, how much is he? How many years old he is?
It will be, I think it is already 6 years old. Now it will live for 100 years old.
Just shut up. I don't want to read that again. Mama, he looks like a flying fish, but we cannot do now because we already put the coming up thing, I guess. He goes so fast. Where is he going now? He's going to the heater. He's close to the heater. He loves the heater.
Soccer fish is here? Soccer fish is here? अच्छा ठुल्ठुलो छ र नि Pati heर्नु यो